Welcome to the second of the drawing tutorials for designing and sketching working drawings in your design portfolio. In this tutorial we're going to focus on pictorial drawing. So I hope you can learn some of the conventions and enjoy this.
Okay, the next thing I'd like to talk to you about and show you is some pictorial drawings. That's the technical name that we should call them, pictorial, and I'm going to show you an oblique drawing and an isometric drawing. Pictorial drawings have become known since the internet age as 3D drawings, but they're really part of a family of that should be called pictorial drawings. So it's really important. I've got down the bottom here an isometric one. The angle here is 30 degrees and 30 degrees. So this front corner here is this corner over here. So in order to do this drawing, I would be coming, let's draw around this way. I'd line in this one here. The long edge is on the left and the short edge is on the right. So the shorter edge comes this way. So in order to do this, and I might just do this very quickly now, is I would draw vertical lines up here from all those corners, and I'm going to estimate a vertical line down the middle there as well, and then I'm going to put my ruler here and I'm going to slide it up so it sort of stays as close to parallel as I can, and I'm going to just guess this size here, and I might come up there so I can look more carefully that it looks like it's this line here is parallel with that line, and that line. I need to make them look parallel. Then I'm going to come back this way and I'm going to make these lines parallel that way. And I'm going to draw some lines across here. And then I'm almost finished my isometric drawing. I can line in some things now so that I don't get confused. I go back over there. Notice that I'm using construction lines again. And there we go. Draw this one back up this way. I haven't got that other one. So now what I need to do is I'll bring this one across to here, draw a light line in there, draw a vertical line up there from the intersection, and then another 30-degree line across there. And I've got my isometric drawing. Now I've only drawn a very simple shape. I'll show you some other shapes later on how to get some thickness into your drawing. But that one there is now what we call an isometric drawing. An oblique drawing is a little bit different. Oblique drawing, it tends to be what most people go for straight away, and it's not as good a drawing because it doesn't show the detail as well. An oblique drawing, though, is often drawn incorrectly. With an oblique drawing, you must draw the front view as the view that's at the front, at the start point. So we must draw it like this. I've done it a little bit out of proportion there, but we'll keep going for the sake of the video. So the front view would be the very first view that you would draw. And then you would go off from the front view. I'm just trying to draw this quickly so that I'm not taking up your time. Then we decide whether we go 45 degrees to the right or 45 degrees to the left. Now the end view here is the right end view, so we must go to the right with our 45-degree lines, because then it matches up the drawing that we've got. So here is the 45. I just travel off there at 45 degrees from every one of them. Now the interesting thing about an oblique drawing is that you must halve the measurements here, unless you want to make it look silly, which would be a cavalier oblique. So there's measurement from here to here. We halve that measurement for the oblique view. Otherwise, what happens is our drawing ends up looking exaggerated, because that's what an oblique view does. And so I've halved that measurement, and then I just draw the lines around like that. And then I draw in my 45s. And I've got myself a oblique view now. And we should print under here oblique view, and we should print under here isometric view, and then our drawings are complete. I won't take up the time to do that now.